Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your secret recovery phrase for MetaMask. First, make sure your MetaMask wallet is open and you are logged in. This phrase is a unique set of 12 words that acts as the master key to all your accounts within that wallet. You will need your current MetaMask password to proceed with revealing this critical information. To begin, locate the main menu. If you are using the browser extension, click the three dots or the hamburger icon in the top right corner. For mobile users, tap the cogwheel icon at the bottom right. From the menu that appears, select Settings, then navigate to and click on Security and Privacy. This section holds the key to managing your wallet's recovery methods. Within the Security and Privacy section, you will find an option labeled Reveal Secret Recovery Phrase or Manage Recovery Method. Click this, and you may be asked to answer one or two quick security questions to ensure you understand the risks. After confirming, enter your MetaMask password. Finally, hold down the designated button to reveal your 12-word secret recovery phrase. Your secret recovery phrase is extremely important. Write it down on a physical piece of paper and store it in a very safe, offline location, like a secure safe. Never, under any circumstances, share these 12 words with anyone, including MetaMask support, as they will never ask for it. If you lose this phrase, neither you nor MetaMask can recover your wallet or its contents, leading to permanent loss of your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.